Hello everyone, it's Friday, April 17th, and welcome to our Pearson Clinical Assessment Video Newscast. My name is Tina Eichstedt, Speech-Language Pathologist and Senior Product Manager in Washington State.
Hi, and I'm Nancy Castilleja. I'm also a Speech-Language Pathologist and a Senior Product Manager, and I'm in San Antonio, Texas. We have 3 news items for you today. The first headline is that we have new digital assets being released on Qglobal. The close of this week brings free access to 24 more digital assets in the resource library on Qglobal, including administration components for the WIAT 3 and the brief cognitive status exam. Manuals for the PLS 5, Self-4 Spanish, and the DAS 2 are also part of this release. We'll let you know when the stimulus books will be ready. For a quick review of how to access these materials, or how to gain access on Qglobal if you're a new user, please visit the telepractice webpage at pearsonassessments.com/telepractice and click on the Newsroom tab to view the Qglobal Deep Dive, Accessing Free Digital Assets. You can also access a complete list of free stimulus books and manuals available on Qglobal through the same website.
Our second news item of the day relates to ASHA's latest resources for school-based SLPs and audiologists. We want to give a shout out to ASHA for 2 great new resources for school-based SLPs and audiologists. First, there is a state-by-state tracking document for laws and regulations for school-based telepractice. Both existing state laws and guidelines, as well as COVID-19 related policy changes, are included. A second resource is a helpful checklist for school-based professionals considering telepractice. This detailed PDF includes considerations in preparation, planning, environmental organization, technology and equipment, and working with parents or caregivers as facilitators. These are 2 massive documents to build and maintain for the professions. Well done, ASHA. Our third and final news item today is a new resource for examinee preparation. Over the last couple of weeks, our staff has been experimenting and practicing remote administration with one another and some of our children to help develop additional resources you may need. Out of that experience, one of our clinical staff created a document we're affectionately calling Hello Examinee. This resource is intended to be an informal email communication or set of tasks for examinee preparation for a remote assessment. We are happy to share it with you. Feel free to adapt as you need for your purposes. Those are the headlines of the day. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.